All right, try this again. Water's frozen here. I got critters. I gotta figure out how to move a little slower. Okay, frozen chicken water, part 2. What do you think, Ben? He's like, what the hell are you doing? Once again, use a metal bucket. Don't be an idiot. If you got your wood burning stove going for a couple days, you got to keep cleaning it out. So, here we go again. Go grab the bucket. Nice warm water here. Come on, baby boy. One of these days, I might actually get pretty good at making these videos. Dun, 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 dun. Well, looky there. Yeah, all the dirt's frozen. I can't really work on that right now. They're my little ones. Well, I don't know where they went. Oh, look at there. There they are. They snuck over there and they found the water. Sorry, that's too cute because this is their little house. So, you got a plastic waterer. You know what? That's how this works. Frozen. Like straight up frozen. Now you see that? You can also use a concrete. You can use a paver, like a concrete paver. And go ahead and warm it up. Basically making a double boiler there. And that's it. Gonna have happy chickens with warm water for at least a few hours. Good enough for now. Goodbye, Finn. Dun, 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 dun.